We're streaming live. Happy solar return to Empress Sharima Aya. It's a great day. We're in the shadow, what we call it, hours?
Shadow hours. God is pleased.
He's begging me early in the morning. Begging starts. And here she is. Thanks for the hearts. The Earth Day girl here, working here. On top model.
This bread smells funny.
And we're giving her an amazing solar return style by the Empress. As you can see, it's coming together. Hold up. Hooking it up, hooking it up, hooking it up. Of course, she's hiding her face. Everybody will see her with the style, so it makes no sense. But it's all good in the hood. She was looking pretty there. Thanks for the hearts. 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 Happy solar return. Right here is her solar return. Today is her special day. How does it feel to be a year younger, sister?
Good.
It feels good. Thanks for the heart. They say happy solar return.
Thank you.
Yep, she's looking good. Greetings. How are you? Thank you for tuning in. Oh, you said you're looking for a model in Sweden? You would like to see her face? Oh,
Till I got a mannequin
you're going to have to
myself.
get another sister because she's not real. Yeah. Right, right. Thank you.
Till I got mannequins for sale.
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
Leave me alone.
Till I got blind mannequins for sale.
They said they like your nails, Waddy.
Oh my gosh, no y'all didn't.
She said, is that here heavy, Waddy?
No.
No, it's not heavy.
It
Does it
hurt.
take long? No. It takes about an hour and a half. An hour and a half. It's really one of the quickest style, and it's not a lot of weight on your hair. And she's going to open these curls up. Like, this is just the beginning. It looks good, they said, Waddy.
Thanks.
We're in Miami, Florida, and we're celebrating her solar return. Today is her born day, her Earth Day today. In the wee hours, we're in Miami, having a great time celebrating what she's doing here. Because she's going back to New York on Thursday, so she's in Miami enjoying her special born day. Happy solar return, Sharima Empress.
Thank you.
How does it feel?
Feels good.
Did you have a tea party?
Yes.
All right, that's what it's about, having a tea party. What about you over there, bro?
Oh.
You turning on me now, Waddy?
Okay. They want to see. Oh, so you can see me? Okay, cool.
Nobody don't want to see you, child.
I'm sorry, baby. I'm going to come out the front. This is
Okay, let me
awesome.
see.
I'll come out.
I get it. I tap it, but it doesn't, it's not turning. Let me tap it one more time. All right, here I am. Queen Goddess in the building. Greetings, the goddess. The goddess. And we're here celebrating my cousin's solar return. Special day to be on the planet. Okay, now you see me. Okay, what are you saying? Let me come up. We're here doing great things. Thanks for joining. So I'm going to go back because it's not about me. It's about the hairstyle. There you go. And here's my little sweetie pie. Say hi, Sade. Say greetings. Say greetings. That's our baby. Say hi, baby.
Shade. 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 We hanging, baby.
So we're almost there. We're near the end. And this
This
style, what we call this style, they want to know what's the name of the style, Empress?
Sade.
It's called Latch hooking.
Okay.
Latch.
Right. It's less pressure on your hair. It's not a sew-in. It's on the braids.
Let me start opening.
Cornrow style. Thanks for the hearts,
I got a
guys.
black.
Thanks for the hearts. Thanks for the hearts. Thanks for the his hearts. We love the hearts. Like Trick Daddy love the kids.
His hearts.
Like Trick Daddy love the kids. We love the hearts.
How do you do?
Thanks for the
Coconut
hearts.
love, that's right. Over here, over here, over here. Coconut love over here. Thanks for the hearts.
And it's everybody say happy birthday to her. It's her mother's birthday. Thanks for the hearts, guys. Today is her born day, her strong day, her solar return, her earth day. Today, thank you for the hearts. Appreciate them. That her mom gave birth to her, and this is what she's doing. At this point, she wasn't coming out doing here. Was you, sister?
Coming out at this hour.
Coming out at this hour. Yes, yes, she was coming out at this hour. New York is in the building, y'all. Ça passe nan boule, mes amis en way.
She's out here. Vinny.
Vinny Barbarino.
Yeah,
I can't see you, Zawadi. So you just was wasting your time putting your hand up. Because I'm putting this video up, and so it looks unprofessional for you because you're going to be doing this style for clients.
All right,
So
make
it's
it
not
go
really
back in coconut. Blacker. You can,
We're serving her.
You don't have to leave it on, but just let it stay in there.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, thank you. That's so nice.
It's just my
Anything you want to say to the audience out there, Empress, for your solar return Earth Day? Looking at this girl who has the issues. She getting here. She study has issues. What is it with these sisters that put stuff in their hair? I'm going to get mine done and y'all can do mine. Thank you for the hearts. Thank you for the hearts. Wait till she takes it out. So we're about to take out the curls so it's going to get curlier so you can see the whole full. Like you can see her a little bit taking out the curls. Thank you so much, sir.
Don't run here.
See that curl? Nice. I'm gonna put that garbage back up here.
Off the leg. A lot of noise there.
Yeah, because
That's a Shih Tzu. Sade. Where's Sade?
That kind of noise, you hear me?
Say hi, Sade. Say hi, Sade.
There it is again.
It's a Shih Tzu. See her? Hi, Sade. She's a Shih Tzu, a toy Shih Tzu.
yeah.
She's only 8 pounds and she'll never get bigger than that. Open up. Pick up the paper. All that comes out on the camera. No, that's not a prop. That's not a prop. I rock naturally is a prop. Totally awesome.
I'll be hilarious.
You're going to come back with the finish so you can see the finish. So we're getting there. So you have an idea. Peace. Thank you for the hearts. Thank you for the hearts. Thank you for the hearts. Nothing like a heart. You're going to come back with the finish. Love.